Thank you for watching SpectraLogic's series of how-to videos featuring StorCycle. Today we will be configuring a non-Spectra NAS device. For non-Spectra NAS devices, there are additional licensing charges for data movement over 1 terabyte. It is important to remember to have the user running the Spectra StorCycle service set to have access to the NAS storage location and have read-write permissions for the NAS system. From the StorCycle dashboard, click on the gear icon and select Storage. This will take you to the storage location page, where you can easily edit and delete previously added storage locations. From here, select New Storage Location to get started with the configuration. The first thing you will need to do is create a name for the new storage location. Make sure the name can easily identify the NAS location you are setting up. For the description, Spectra recommends you describe which directory you're linking StorCycle to. When setting up the cost per terabyte, it is important to be consistent across all storage locations. Use the same method to determine this calculation for every storage device. You do not have to fill in a department or cost per terabyte if you are not tracking tiered cost savings. Click Next and you will be brought to a configuration for the type of storage you're setting up. Choose non-Spectra NAS. Now you will choose whether you want to set up this location as a source or a target. Remember, when setting up a target location, it is recommended to use a lower cost storage system as the target. Now you will enter the UNC path name of the NAS device you are setting up. If you are not familiar with this path name, contact your IT administrator to obtain this information. Next, you can set StorCycle to limit data transfers during peak hours of network activity. If you wish to do this, select the drop-down and choose Limit Transfers during peak hours, then configure the hours that work best for your data transfers. Click the Test Location button to make sure you have the storage location properly configured. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a check mark next to the Test Location button. Click Submit and you have successfully set up a non-Spectra NAS device as a storage location. Thank you for watching our StorCycle configuration video.